in the US. Now, many schools around the world closed during the pandemic. This week, we'll be looking at what impact that's had and how companies and parents have responded to the closures. Today, we report from India, where, according to UNESCO, more than 320 million children have been affected. And while many urban schools have been able to switch to online learning, many Indian villages are struggling with poor digital connectivity. In some cases, that's given rise to so-called barter classes, as Davina Gupta reports.
These children in Chandrapur in the northeastern Indian state of Assam are getting ready to study. Their school is shut due to the pandemic since March, and with no access to computers or the internet, they come to this community tuition center every day for what are called barter classes, where instead of money, parents pay for the lessons with vegetables each day.
Due to the lockdown, the village is facing extreme economic hardships. I teach children for 2 hours and their parents give me vegetables or rice. This helped me run my household during these difficult times as well.
Most of the villagers here are daily wage workers who lost their jobs due to the coronavirus restrictions. And this system helps them save cash for urgent expenses.
I don't have work right now, so I don't want to pay in cash. But I'm happy giving these vegetables for my child's brighter future.
COVID has shaken up the rural economy in India. According to a Delhi-based think tank CSDS, nearly 70% of rural households have reported a decline in their monthly household income during the months of lockdown in March and April because farmers could not sell their produce in the market or even get the right price for it. So now they are cash strapped, and that's why they're shifting to barter system where they can, especially when it comes to education of their children. And this practice is gaining popularity in the hinterland. But there are problems. In Nayagaon village in North Indian state of Bihar, 12-year-old Ananya is trying to learn English in this barter class. Her father has been giving a portion of his wheat crop to her teacher. But he admits he can't continue this system for more than 2 months.
I spoke to this teacher and he used to charge $15 to teach children every month. But now I pay him 5 kilogram wheat. But my stock will get over soon, and I don't know for how long can I continue with this.
Then these classes are irregular and unstructured. Even Ananya feels she's not learning as much.
Coronavirus has disrupted my studies. I want to go back to school.
With over 2.4 million COVID cases in India, the schools for now are keeping their gates shut. Until then, these barter classes are not only a reminder of the deep digital divide in rural India, but also a sign of economic distress that needs urgent attention. Davina Gupta, BBC News, Delhi.
Here in the